everybody, so I'm going to do a great big detour here. Typically I would head straight for that white building in the corner there, but we've got a lot of traffic on the water here, so I'm simply going to go around everybody, and we'll talk about it a little bit from a distance away here. Everybody, if you'd like to take a look out to the left, you can see that white shaped marquee looking building over there. That location is 2 Mile Bay Sailing Centre, and it is situated directly in the middle of 2 Mile Bay. Now that there is an extremely popular location here on Lake Taupo. So what they've got over here, this is a cafe facility, a pizzeria, and also a bar facility. So you can enjoy this location at any time of the day. And it is also one of the best locations to enjoy a beautiful sunset out here on Lake Taupo. So once again, 2 Mile Bay Sailing Centre, situated directly in the middle of 2 Mile Bay. It is just out to the left-hand side of the boat once again, and what we've got over here is a large grassy reserve and a public boat ramp.